ni Kuya!
Pinoy Transporter, best taxi driver. He's a
Hi guys, good evening. This is Pinoy Transporter. Here with me are two lovely ladies. And I think they are also content creators who would like to share some of their views and how they find yours truly, Pinoy Transporter. Ma'am, would you mind introducing yourself?
Hey, good morning! Because every day is a new beginning. That's why I said good morning. You know what? I'm Florence Monedero. You can call me GMD Flow Monedero. You can check my reels. I'm so inspired to the best taxi driver in the world. I really love and to talking with him and inspired, and of course I see his passion to sharing to all of us his journey. He is being a taxi driver. So, Ma'am Marisa.
Yes, I'm Marisa. Hi there. Yes. Ay mag-Tagalog na lang ako kasi mag-Tagalog na tayo.
Mga Bulakenyo naman tayo.
Bulacan. From Marilao, Bulacan. Na-amaze ako dito kay Kuya Sir Driver kasi he's a Inglesero. This is my first time to ride a taxi na Inglesero ang driver.
With the accent.
So, with an accent. Yes. So kayo na kayo dito sa Pinoy
Transporter.
Transporter, yung kanyang YouTube channel.
Magpakilala tayo bilang mga Bulakenyo. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Ito inyong lingkod, sa inyong humihiling. Tulungan lamang ako upang makarating ang aking mga adhikain sa mga taong nakikinig dyan. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. 2 Bulakenya, sakay ko na. Hindi lang mababait, sila pa'y magaganda.
Yes.
Di ba? Rong tumula.
Magaganda.
Okay, guys.
Supportahan natin. Please subscribe and likes and comment down below kasi siya yung nakita namin the best taxi in the world.
Maraming salamat. Actually, hindi ako ang the best. Ang the best is Lord. I'm
Yes,
nothing.
amen.
I'm nothing but just a miss in the air, okay?
Yes.
So, whatever we do, we should always glorify Him.
Amen.
Okay.
Thank
So
you.
guys,
Amen.
paalam na. Here's your folks. Pinoy Transporter, signing off. Bye!
Bye. God bless.